So, welcome to today's celebration of the Beaufort Reuse project. I'd like to start by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we're meeting today. That's the land of the Wadawurrung people, and pay my respects to elders past and present. So the innovative Beaufort project is going to unlock 100 million litres of water. If you can imagine the top of the goalposts at each end, I think they're about 6 metres high, and you could effectively have 6 metres of water sitting across this entire surface today. That's the amount of water effectively that's generated at our wastewater reuse treatment plant, which is about 3 kilometres on the other side of Beaufort. It is effectively the recycled water product that we're able to use here amongst this community, and certainly this oval, the school oval over the back, a little bit of water for Croquet Club, but certainly the golf club will be a big user of the water on both their their fairways and greens into the future. It's important to acknowledge that this community project really comes together because of the partnership and the willingness to work together and to invest. And certainly a massive thank you to the Victorian State Government and the DECA Department in terms of the support funding that was provided, but also CHW's contribution, and also with Pyrenees Shire Council working hand in hand to make this happen. These projects require a lot of internal collaboration, but there's a lot of external approvals and various departments. When you throw in a highway and you throw in a VicTrack line and all of these sort of things, it does take a lot of time to work through. So we thank those agencies as well. You know, the really good thing about this project, it does produce great environmental outcomes and sustainability benefits. And that's not only just for today, this is really about setting this community up for the next 50, 100 years. So it's a really attractive draw card, is providing that amenity that comes with such great recreational assets. And organisations like ours really start thinking about that climate adaptation and making sure that we're preparing for the next extended drought period as well. And we've certainly seen in our region very little inflows over winter and the recent spring.
Thank you to the Department of Energy, Environment and Climate Action, Central Highlands Water and the Pyrenees Shire Council.
The Beaufort Reuse for Recreation project will benefit the local community.
We built a pump station and dosing facilities. That's to treat the wastewater to the standard that it needs to be. And of course the pumps which pump the water all the way to this region. The pipeline was a 200mm diameter pipeline. It virtually runs on the east side of Beaufort and cuts across near the Croquet Club and then down the main road here, Skipton Road, and then pipelines branching off that. The Croquet Club, they have a small pipe coming off that, and we built that with a new storage tank there. The school, there's a pipeline that branches off, goes all the way down behind the school to the back. We installed a new tank there, 120 kilolitre tank, and also some irrigation facilities for the oval there, which includes pumps, controller. Here at the Goldfields Recreation Reserve, we ran a pipeline. There were some existing tanks that council had, 3 by 40 kilolitre tanks, so recycled water gets pumped into those. And then we also installed a new pump in the pump shed, which will take pump out of those tanks and apply it to the oval here. For the golf club, we have a lot of work over there, bigger size pipe going into there. A new tank, which was a 1 megalitre tank. It's capable of watering the whole club area, including the greens, tees and fairways. In addition to that, there's a separate irrigation system for the golf club for recycled water. So a lot of work involved in putting a whole network of pipelines within the existing golf course. Also, I'd like to thank the Beaufort community because they're all a part of that, and they have to deal with all the traffic management that we put in place to be able to build the infrastructure that's required.
And what a great setting for today and to showcase this magnificent project. Special thanks to Central Highlands Water and the team for making this happen. Been a pleasure to be partners in this project, and we look forward to the benefits into the future. So thank you.